Good afternoon, jury, panelists, fellow presenters, and audience. I would like to make a small correction in the announcement made. I am I.K. Pateria, name is correct. I am not from CDAC. I am representing and I am presenting this on behalf of CDAC. Okay. I am basically from Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. And there too, under Ministry of Rural Development, there is an organization in the name National Rural Roads Development Agency. I'm working as a director technical over there. And CDAC is involved with us for providing all kind of technology support. They are maintaining our website, developing all solutions related to monitoring. Before I push on to this mobile application based quality monitoring system, I would have to just in 2 minutes time, which will be within 5 minutes only, okay. I would have to bring before you who we are and what are we doing. Road network system in the country is well known to everyone. In the year 2000, the then Prime Minister announced a rural roads development program in the name Pradhan Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana. This agency has been created by Ministry of Rural Development to provide technical and managerial support. And in the last 15 years, we have been constructing roads in the rural area only. We have constructed and upgraded almost 4.5 lakh kilometers of roads in last 15 years. This particular application is for monitoring the quality during construction and during maintenance. Under this scheme, we have a 3-tier quality management system. The first tier is the quality management by the people who are actually executing the job. They have to systematically record based on the specified frequency, particular type of test, everything they have to document and record it. The second tier is at the state level. Every state has empaneled second-tier quality monitors. These are retired senior officers from different government departments or from Government of India. So they are known as the state quality monitors. And then the third tier is at the Government of India level, that is at our level. And we have empaneled around 80 national quality monitors. They are mostly senior retired officers from different state governments or from Government of India, various departments, from the positions of chief engineers or director generals. And these people are around 80 numbers. They go to every site. Now, before coming over there, what is the frequency of this quality monitoring? This top level national quality monitors are expected to inspect or monitor the quality of around 5% of the works going on. The state quality monitors are expected to inspect and monitor the quality of every work at least 3 times during its construction. And the first year is supposed to manage it day-to-day basis. So I just wanted to focus that the volume of the quality monitoring is huge, and without the support of this kind of the quality monitoring system, it would have been very difficult for us to process the cases of the reports coming in from these quality monitors. Next. Sorry, I'm sorry. Page up. Sorry. This briefly I have already explained. The target is for providing connectivity to every small habitation with a population of more than 500 in general areas and around 250 in special areas, very difficult areas. We have this website created by CDAC, Online Management Monitoring and Accounting System. Since beginning, around 2003, this was launched, and all applications are through this website. Now I'm coming to this mobile application-based quality monitoring system. We have the Chief Quality Coordinator who is dealing with the quality monitoring of the entire system at the Government of India level in NRRDA. Similarly, we have a State Quality Coordinator at every state level. So inspection scheduling. Now for these 80 quality monitors who are sitting in various parts of the country, scheduling the inspections, sending them letters, assigning them the job, assigning them specific roads in various states, including very difficult areas like Northeast or Arunachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. It was a very difficult task. So now the scheduling can be done with the help of this mobile application-based quality monitoring system. Road selection based on previous inspection status. If the road has not been inspected, it can be displayed and it can be selected. It can be assigned either by the chief quality coordinator or by the state quality coordinator. Road selection input from multiple stakeholders. Finalization of the schedule. The schedule of inspection for a particular month can be finalized by the chief quality coordinator or by the state quality coordinator in case of the state quality monitors. And this goes directly through this application. The concerned monitors can download it. Schedule information to monitors on finalization. As soon as the schedule is finalized by the chief quality coordinator or by SQC, this information goes through email to the concerned monitor so that he can schedule his inspection date as per his convenience and in consultation with the state. Inspections by monitors get inspection schedule on mobile. They can download their schedule, capture photos and grade quality of work. They can capture the photographs which are geotagged, store them, and can upload along with the quality grading and photographs onto the website. Inspection report available for monitoring. All the inspection reports are straightway, as soon as they are uploaded, they are coming along with photographs onto the website. So earlier we had this very difficult task. The NQMs or the SQMs, they used to send the hard copies of the reports which were not coming up right in time. But now that all those issues have been resolved, accurate location of the road inspected. Because it is geotagged, so we come to know on which particular date and time the quality monitor was there at a particular place and how he has graded the work. This is the overall flow. The beauty of this application is that the photographs and the data, whatever is captured, can be stored in the mobile even when the connectivity is not there. Only GPS should be functional. Later on, wherever, because they are going to very difficult areas and it may not be possible to have mobile connectivity everywhere. So getting reports immediately from such areas has made the quality monitoring system a substantial improvement. Yes. They can operate in online or offline mode when connectivity is not there. Auto intimation of inspection schedule to quality monitors, it goes immediately whenever scheduled by the chief quality coordinator or SQC. Silent upload feature, as soon as he comes in the connectivity area, the photographs can be uploaded. Synchronization with centralized server for application configuration. Integrated messaging for notifications related to enhancements, updates, it goes automatically. Feature to operate in training, live mode. And generic design application can be extended for other schemes. These are the impacts.
That's it.
Thank you.
Sorry, I'm doing a dirty job.
No, thank you. Thank you.